Hey guys, welcome to our Keynotes. So this video is regarding core Java programming. So in the previous video, we have seen event delegation model, event classes and event listeners. And also we have done a demo program using NetBeans IDE. So under Unit 5, Part 2 section, today's session, we are going to explore adapter classes. So what is an adapter class? It provides default implementation of listener interfaces, same like the previous concepts we have seen. And the main advantage of using adapter class is that you should not override each and every single method which is there in the listener interface. You are free to choose the methods which you want to implement, and you can leave those rest of the methods. So basically the code will be minimized when you are using adapter class. But if you are using that event classes and event listeners, then you need to override each and every single method where your code will become more lengthy. Fine. So this is the whole concept, guys. All right. So where these adapter classes can be found, you can use java.awt.event or java.awt.dnd, that is drag and drop, and javax.swing.event packages to use adapter classes. Fine. Okay, so under this package, that is java.awt.event, you can use these adapter classes and listener interface. So in the very first point, we have seen that adapter classes provide default implementation of listener interface. So in the previous video, I'll take you to that. If there is an event like a focus event, there will be a listener, right? Focus listener, and few interface, those methods will be there. So likewise, over here we have got window adapter, and obviously it is window listener, right? And key adapter, key listener. So likewise it will be going on. Fine. And java.awt.dnd, that is drag and drop. So we have got these classes like drag source adapter, and it is drag source listener. And underneath this javax.swing.event package, we have got mouse input adapter, mouse input listener, and few other classes as well. So hope you have got the overall idea of what is adapter class. Fine. So now let's explore an example. You see this, we have got two packages here, java.awt.star and java.awt.event.star. Okay, fine. So there is a class and a class name which extends mouse adapter. So we know this adapter concept is about adapter classes, right? So we will be using extends, not like in the previous video we will use implements, so that we will use some interface, right? So here there is a frame, and there is a constructor and frame object got created, and this is the title of the frame. And like in the previous video, we have seen that we need to implement a proper interface to handle that proper event, right? And then we will register that with the listener. So likewise over here you need to add this one with the mouse listener. If you are using mouse adapter, then it is mouse listener obviously, and you just want to add that one with your frame. That's it. These are the things we know, that set size, layout, visible. And here you see this, I have used only one method, that is mouse clicked. I'll take you to the previous video slide. You see this, I have just used void mouse clicked, only this method. I have omitted all these things, but basically underneath this mouse listener we have got 5 methods. If you are using this mouse listener, then definitely you need to provide implementation for all these methods. But if you are using the same thing, the same concept in adapter class, then you can omit it. Like you can just use any one of the method which you want. You don't want to override all the methods. So that is the main advantage of using adapter class, so where you can minimize the code. Fine. So I have used here only mouse clicked method, and again graphics, set color, that is blue, and fill oval, their position, and the size is specified, and main method object got created. So whenever mouse clicked, something should happen. So that is the whole concept over here, this program. So this is the program I have copy pasted here. Directly I will go to the execution part. I'll run this file. Let's see what happens. So the method name is mouse clicked. Fine. So this is the title, mouse adapter, and whenever I drag, what happens if I drag? Nothing. See, I'm gonna click here and I'm trying to drag this, but nothing is happening. But whenever I click on this, see, because the method which we have used is mouse clicked, so whenever I click on within this frame, you know, these things are happening, that like oval got filled with blue. Fine. Okay, so I'll take you to one more example. So this is about the same thing. The method is like mouse dragged. So whenever I drag the mouse, something should happen. And over here, the adapter is mouse motion adapter, and obviously I need to use mouse motion listener. That should be added with this frame. That's the only difference. I'll again go back to NetBeans to demonstrate this. So before that, I'll just comment this part. So I have got the example here, and I'll run this program. You see this, I have used the same program, and here it is about mouse dragged, and I'm gonna run this file. Okay, so I'm gonna check this. If I click, what happens? So nothing is happening, right? I'm gonna click here and there, nothing is happening. But whenever I drag, these things, the oval got filled with yellow color. So this is how we can play with adapter classes. So in the next video, we'll talk about layout managers. Hope you like this video. If you like the video, hit the like button, which motivates me to do more videos like this. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you, and thanks for watching the video.